Hello everyone, welcome to my channel One Stop Placement. In this video I am going to tell you about conditional statements in Python. In conditional statements we have if, else, elif, nested if elif ladder. In this video we will see clearly about if and else. This if and else are used to control the flow of the program. If the condition is true, if part will be executed, and the condition is false, else part will be executed. Now we'll discuss about syntax in three ways. First of all, you have to give the if keyword followed by space and you have to give the condition. This condition depend upon the question and you have to give the colon at the last. But in other languages we use curly braces. The data enclosed within the curly braces are belongs to the if block. But in Python we don't use curly braces. Then we have a doubt that how we can find that group of data is belongs to if block. So we can find by using the indentation. Indentation is nothing but the space that is left before the each and every line in the if condition. This is very important in Python. So how many lines you write inside this block, you should follow the same indentation. And after the completion of this if block, you have to give else. This else is different from if block. So we can start from the starting of the line. And after that else, we have to give colon again. And whatever you write inside the else part, you need to use same indentation. This indentation is very important, and after the group of lines you can write how many lines you can write, but you have to use the same indentation that you followed for all the statements given in the else part. And the second way is, after the keyword if, you can use true without giving the condition. If you given true, directly the if part will be executed. But if you give in the place of true, if you give false, else part will be executed. Otherwise you can give in other way. In Python we use for true we'll give the value 1 and for false we'll give the value 0. So we can change by using if you give 1 in place of true, if part will be executed, and if we give 0 in the place of 1, else part will be executed. Let us see with one example. This is the program for even or odd. We have to find the number is even or odd. So let us take input from the user. N is equal to int of input of. User will give one integer. Let the value be 10. We have to find that 10 is even or odd. We can find by using when we divide 10 by 2, if we get remainder 0, it is an even, or else it is an odd. So to find the remainder we have a modulus symbol. If you divide n by 2 is equal to 0, that means if the remainder is 0, we have to print even, or else it will print odd. This program indicates that this 10 is an even number, so it will print the output as even. For example, if you take value 11, this 10 mod 2 is equal to 0. This condition will fail. So else part will be executed and it will give the output as odd. Now we'll discuss about how to take if and else in a single line. We have to give the statement first and space and if keyword, and you have to give the condition. This is the condition. Else keyword space and you have to give the second statement. This is the example for even number. See, if you take for example 10, if 10 divided by 2 is equal to 0, it is true. Then if condition statement will be executed, even will be printed. But if you take 11, this condition will become false. Then this else part print odd will be printed. But you have another doubt. If condition, if we have more than one statement, for example, if you print even, along with that you have to print number also. Then how we have to write? So that we have to see multiple statements in single line. We have to use flower braces so that it indicates that this all belongs to this if condition. We have to use flower braces. These flower braces, the data enclosed within the flower braces indicates that belongs to this condition. This condition is true, then this group of data will be printed. If the statement is false, then else part will be executed. In else also we can use multiple lines by using flower braces, comma, another condition, and we can close the curly braces. Now we will discuss everything clearly in the demonstration part. Let us take n equal to 10 and we will find that even number is even or odd. You have to take if keyword space n modulo 2 equal to 0 colon print even, else colon print odd. Let us run this code. So it is giving even because 10 is an even number. If you take value 11, we have to get answer as odd. Let us run this and see. See, we will get this is odd because 11 is an odd number. And second way is without writing the condition, if you use the word true, T should be capital, and if you use the remaining code as same, if you run this, you will get even because if the true if true, if statement will be executed. If you write it as false, then else part will be executed and it will give you the answer as odd. And other way is in Python we use for true value 1 and for false value is 0. So if you give the value 1, it will give you directly the if part and it will give you as answer. But if you give you as 0, it will execute the else part and it will give you as odd. Now we will discuss how to take both if and else in a single line. Let us take value n is equal to 10. You have to print even space if condition n modulo 2 equal to 0 space else print odd. See, if value is taken as 10, if you give n modulo 2 is equal to 0, if the condition is true, it will print even. Otherwise, it will execute the else part. Let us run this and see. See, it is giving even. If you can write both if and else in the same line, we have to follow the syntax. And if you take value as 11, it will give you odd. And we have a doubt that we have two or more lines, one or more line in a if condition. Then how you have to use? We have to use curly braces and separated by comma. You can write how many lines you want, that many lines. And I am giving even number. After completing all the lines, close the curly braces. It indicates that the data inside the curly braces are belongs to this if block. And if you run this code, let this value be 10. And if you run this code, you will get value even and number. See, we are given two statements in if block. And you can write same as in else but also. Let us see. Curly braces, comma print number. After completing whole program, let us change this value as 11 because else part should be executed. Let us run this code. So you will get odd number. So that you can write how many statements you want, that many statements you can write, but it should be enclosed in a flower braces and should be separated by a comma. Thank you.